Are you ready to discover the ultimate student living experience in the heart of North Melbourne? Well, get excited because today, we're diving into the fantastic world of student living on Villiers. Welcome to Student Living on Villiers, nestled on the corner of Villiers Street and Flemington Road, where trendy living meets student life. With its studio-styled, one-bedroom apartments, you'll find yourself immersed in a heaven of relaxation and productivity. Each room is thoughtfully furnished with a double bed, dining table, a wall-mounted TV, and a cozy study area. Prepare to be amazed by the exceptional facilities exclusively available to the residents of Student Living on Villiers. Relax and soak in the sparkling city views from the level 6 terrace. Socialize with friends in the communal lounge, catch a movie night at the cinema hall, or enjoy a delicious barbecue with your pals on the weekends. And the best part? Student Living on Villiers is situated in the heart of Melbourne, placing you just steps away from prestigious educational institutions, including the University of Melbourne and RMIT University. Need a change of scenery? No problem. With tram stops right outside your door, you can effortlessly explore all that Melbourne has to offer. So, why settle for the ordinary when you can embrace the extraordinary at Student Living on Villiers? Book your stay today through amberstudent.com.